Are you struggling with the mammoth task of keeping your facility clean on a daily basis? And are you looking for a reliable solution to keep it clean with minimal effort? We understand at ASC our goal is to provide you with quality sweeping and scrubbing solutions regardless of your industry or size. Whether you're an airport, a hospital, a mining company, construction business, or a large warehousing facility, we've got you covered. Today, I'm going to introduce you to the ASC Eureka M6 sweeper. This product is hand-built in Italy and it's designed to have a shelf life of 20 to 30 years. This machine has proven itself in every single application known to mankind. We have hundreds and hundreds of machines working in Australia and tens of thousands running around the world. The great thing about this machine is it doesn't blow any dust. It can work in virtually any application from cement to mining to lead to car parks to warehouses, you name it, it will work. It never blows dust and it really is incredibly efficient and incredibly amazing. The drivetrain on these machines, on the M6 in particular, is a very simple drivetrain mixing together Kubota engines and Eaton hydraulics, which is the world's best. And I would personally say that this product line here, the M6, is arguably in its size the world's best sweeper currently on the market today. So what makes this machine so amazing? Well, for starters, it's designed for brutal application. And let me just walk you through some of the things that's significant that not only save you money, but it'll make the machine exceptionally reliable. Firstly, every sweeper gets driven into walls, bollards, and you name it. It's basically a crash and bash vehicle. So if you've ever owned a sweeper, you'll know yourself, it's the first thing that gets mangled and tangled. These machines are designed to run this close to walls. So what do we do with the ASC M6 machine? Well, for starters, we've mounted these great big boulders on both sides brooms, so it's resistant to any impact that comes on the machine. The operator sitting up there has a great visual point like a truck driver, so he can see straight ahead of him, and he has these guiders to help him navigate through whatever he's steering. Okay, the gutter brooms here are really interesting because they are designed to sweep up along walls, pallets and edges. So to replace these, it's a simple matter of just pushing that across and out. One of the things to bear in mind with these particular machines at ASC M6, the motor itself that drives this machine is electric, not hydraulic. So gone are the days where you get hydraulic oil leaks and spending tens of thousands of dollars worth of hydraulic oil related repairs through drips and drabs and making environments totally unsafe. The belt that runs this side broom is rated to last 2,000 hours. So every 2,000 hours, you'll be asked to spend $14 on a belt and that's it, eliminating hundreds or even thousands of dollars worth of hydraulic motors, repairs, seal kits, and you name it. Every sweeper has wheels. The wheels we have on the M6, the non-marking solid tyres. Gone are the days of punctures and gone are the days of those nasty white lines or black lines you leave on your floor as the machine moves. Inside this machine is a main broom. So the main broom is basically something that picks up all the debris, loads it into the hopper. As I open up this door, you can see the size of the door here. It's massive, made from thick steel. As I open up the door, you can see a main broom. Okay, so one of the things with a sweeper is rubber skirts, and it's very hard to replace rubber skirts. So on these machines here, everything comes out like this. So gone are the days of high maintenance where a mechanic is spending 6 to 10 hours replacing rubber skirts. It's done in seconds. Now, when it comes to replacing a main brush, again, it's simplified. All we undo is this part here, and we pull the brush out, like so, and the brush comes out. We have serrated edges here to offset strapping and plastic from breaking the bearings. So another thing to bear in mind when it comes to maintenance. Just this section alone, which I've done in 15 to 18 seconds, saves you $600 to $800 in labour compared to most machines on the market. The brooms themselves are designed to last 15 to 20 acres per broom as sweeping, so it's a long life broom. And when it comes to putting them back in, it's a very simple process of just lining it up, putting it in, turning it over, and mounting the idlers back into place. The M6 sweeper is designed to work in very heavy dust. And the great thing about this machine, it has the world's best dust control system. As I open my lid up here, you can see a dust filter here. These dust filters come in a stock standard 3 micron dust control or a heavy duty M class, which is 1 micron dust control. So regardless of whether your dust is 2 inches thick, 1 inch thick, or a quarter mil thick, this machine will work. These filters generally are rated to last between 5 and 10 years without filter changes. When it comes to cleaning, it's a self-cleaning system. It cleans itself every time you turn the key off. The M6 comes in 3 power sources. One is a dual fuel LPG petrol. The next one is a diesel variant, or third is battery electric. This one in particular is an LPG, dual fuel petrol LPG. As I lift the lid up, I open the cover up here. We have an 18 kilogram LPG bottle, which is very easy to pull on and off, like so. Comes on and off. And what happens in here, which I'll just show you in a moment, is the actual compartment of the engine. The power source on the M6 is available in 3 power sources, one being diesel, the other being LPG. The LPG and the diesel are powered by a 3-cylinder Kubota engine, and the third power plant obviously is a battery electric, which is a 36 volt deep cycle battery electric machine, and it's designed to run for between 5 and 7 operating hours. The M6 sweeper has 3 operating wheels, 2 at the front, 1 at the back, like every other vehicle in this market segment. The difference is the M6 on the left and right side has anti-roll bars. These stabilizer bars are designed to stop the vehicle from rolling over. So if safety is a concern for your operators and from your operational point of view, these are a must. So they're standard on these vehicles, which makes it unique in its class. The M6 comes standard with a very heavy-duty overhead guard, which will protect any operator from any falling debris as they're sweeping. If you're sick of the mess, invest in the best. Jump on our website and order your ASC today.